Hello, in front of me I've got Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you all safety features installed in the car. Let's start with driver's doors. Right here we can find child lock for windows, start-stop feature, adjustable headlamps, and electric side rearview mirrors adjustment with side rearview mirrors folding. Car is equipped with auto lights and fog lights. On the steering wheel you can find steering mode switch button, cruise control and speed limiter. On the instrument cluster you can find automatic lock and unlock, adjustment and headlamp delay and auto triple turn. Now let's take a look in the center of the car. The car is equipped with rear view camera, navigation with speed camera alert only if you are connected to internet, traction control and manual lock and unlock of doors. The car is also equipped with parking sensors and standard safety systems required. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Right here we can find plenty of space for legs for the rear passengers, ISOFIXes on two outer seats, child lock for doors, and the spare tire. The car is equipped with at least 6 airbags depending on the trim. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.